Hello, welcome to finding 8 to the 1 over n by solving x to the n equals a. Well, we will be finding all n solutions of x to the n equals a, or all n roots of a. The solutions of the equation x to the n equals a are the same as finding the nth roots of a, nth root of a, of which they are n. It's easiest to go through an example rather than have things look a little, shall we say, abstract. We'll find the cube roots of negative 27. This is equivalent to solving x cubed equals negative 27. Now we're going to treat negative 27 as negative 27 plus 0i, a complex number, and convert the polar form. The radius is 27, and the angle of this value is pi, because it's in the negative direction. The n roots, or the nth root of r, as we would expect, times cosine beta plus 2k pi over n plus I sine beta plus 2k pi over n, where k takes on all the values between 0 and n minus 1 inclusive. So what does this mean? Well, we're going to take, if r is 27, we can take the cube root of 27, and it's 3. And if theta is pi, beta over n, 3, the cube root, is pi over 3. So our cube root is 3 cosine pi over 3 plus I sine pi over 3, or 3 halves plus 3 times the square root of 3 over 2 pi. This is the root that corresponds with k equals 0, the first of them. The easiest way to find the other two is to realize they're all equidistantly spaced around a circle. And so if I have to get around 2 pi, and I have 3 roots, they're 2 pi over 3 radians up. So the next one, 2 pi, when k is 1, 2 pi over 3 added to pi over 3 is simply pi. We end up with 3 cosine pi plus I sine pi. If the cosine pi is negative 1, we get negative 3. Sine of pi is 0. No imaginary part. The last of these roots, we add another 2 pi, for k equals 2, and we get 3 cosine phi pi over 3 plus I sine pi phi pi over 3, or 3 halves, minus 3 times the square root of 3 over 2. There's a little something to notice here. The imaginary roots, if we're taking roots of a real number, will end up being conjugate pairs. So if I have 3 halves plus 3, the square root of 3 over 2i, I must have 3 halves minus 3, the square root of 3 over 2 pi.